Tuesday, 11 March, about 80 degrees down here in northeast Texas. Been doing a little bit of spray work, spraying out there in the lot, spraying around the factory building perimeter, just glyphosate, kill everything. Got my little garden spot here at the factory. I cut way back on the sides this year. The dirt 10 years ago was this old barren red clay, couldn't grow diddly, and for 10 years I've been working on a spot here about 70 foot wide, about 100 foot long. Tons of compost, tons of mulch, plowing, turning, spread out more compost and mulch. Now I got good garden dirt, but it's literally taken me 10 years to convert all this. What I did is just hit it real quick with a tiller. I got behind my John Deere. There's already a video up of that when I did the deer food plots. Turn in the green. I'll probably till it again, then do my mounds for my squash. Put out a couple dozen mounds with about 3 plants each. Zucchini squash and yellow crooked neck squash. These are my pear trees. They're still alive. Nice and pliable. This one on the end just started leafing out. Barely. This is, I believe, the 3rd or 4th year for these, and it's safe to assume that they're established now. Got some leaf. Trees die from the top down, by the way, so if your tops are pliable, the tree's just fine. Up there at my farm, Jordan and I put out 220 fruit trees, and now we got 8. Dang deer, 8. All of them. They like the inner bark. They ringed every tree up there and killed every tree up there, which sucks, but deer got to eat too. We're trying to decide up there at the farm what to do this year. I got all the equipment I need to do some serious row cropping, and we're thinking about putting in about a linear mile of sweet corn and about a ½ acre of cream peas. Plan enough, maybe the deer won't eat everything. So anyway, that's what we've been doing up here. Of course, we're busy at work, and that's why I'm not going to do just a huge garden. We're too busy at work. But squash pretty much take care of themselves. Any kind of weeding or anything I do after work in the evening. That's all for this one. Thank you.